Hey folks, welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Dad channel. Today it is so hot, I can't even wear my New Balance. I gotta be sporting sandals. It's gonna be well over 100 today, and I'm gonna do something real quick that's gonna help keep the truck nice and cool, and that is installing these window vents. What these give you the ability to do is they go up in your channels here and they let you crack the windows open a little bit when you're parked, so air can get in and out, but it prevents thieves from getting their hands in and rain from getting into your car. Now there's two kinds. There's some that go in channel and some that surface mount. These ones are going to slip up inside these channels, and some of the other ones surface mount like I've got on my other car here. So there's two different videos I've got. This is for the channel mount type, and then this one I've actually got on my other channel. I do have a second channel. It's the car DIY channel that I've just launched. So check out that channel if you want to see more stuff on this thing, this thing, this thing, and a new surprise that's coming soon. Those will be on both channels, so make sure you check out that channel and subscribe to that one as well. But right now, let's get into it. These are made by AVS. And the nice thing about AVS products, they are, as you can see here, they are invented, engineered, and manufactured in the US, not just owned by a US company, but they are made in country right here. So we're gonna get into these. It's an easy install. We can get this sucker done in probably about 20 minutes in the driveway with no tools. So when we crack it open, we've got our window vents here, and then it comes with a little Scotch-Brite pad that's for scuffing up the surface to get good adhesion, and we've got some alcohol wipes because you want to make sure that the surface you're setting these to is completely clean so these things make a good contact. The other thing, it comes with our instructions, but we don't need those because you are watching this YouTube video. You're welcome. So let's get over to the truck, start getting the windows ready and getting these guys installed. So the first thing you want to do before you do anything else is you want to take your piece and just make sure you have the right one. So you can see here the way these are the inside channel ones, so they actually slip inside your window channel right there. So it's a little bit of a trick to get it in there, but it's gonna slip right up in there like that. It's gonna look really, really good. So make sure you have the right piece before you do anything else. Next, we're gonna prep our surface. So it comes with that little pad. We're gonna get up in there and clean and scuff the surface, so it's got a good surface to adhere to. Once you've done that, you want to take your alcohol pad, that's your little prep pad, and it comes with a couple of these, but you might need more because this really isn't that much stuff to clean with. You want to get in there and clean your surface. So you can see here there's a lot of grime coming off, and I've only made one pass through. So if you're still getting a lot of grime on there, I would recommend getting some paper towels and some more alcohol and making sure your surface is nice and clean. Then I would recommend taking a dry paper towel, getting in there, making sure the area is completely free of debris and also dry before you move on to actually installing the vent shade. So installing the vent shade is very simple. You're going to start by peeling off the pieces of adhesive on either far end of the shade. So they make these for just about every vehicle, and I've got a link down in the description below where you can check them out and pick one up for your car and help keep your car cool. And then on this piece across the top, you're just going to get it started, but not actually remove it. This part's really important, and I'll show you why in just a second. You're gonna get it started, have that piece hanging down, and we're gonna do the exact same thing for the other end. Get it started and have it hanging down. Now when you install it, have your thumbs kind of holding these little pieces down, and then we're gonna start by our front edge and get our front edge in place, come around, and get our back edge in place. Once it's completely up and seated, now you can come in and remove that piece. Now with that done, you can go all the way around and make sure you push your piece into place. Now the final step to getting this thing to seat correctly is now roll up the window. That'll pinch it so it doesn't move, and it gives that tape a chance to really set. So now we've rolled up our window. Our window is gonna hold that firmly in place. You wanna go back around, give it a good tug, and make sure everything is seated. And now you want to leave that sit for a while so that tape has a chance to really get a nice bond. Now we're going to work our way around and do all the rest of the windows. So while I'm here working away, be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button. It really, really does help the channel out a lot. And also be sure to check out my car DIY channel, my other YouTube channel, where we've got a lot more automotive content and a cool surprise coming in just a few weeks. So we're all done, and I've got links for all these down in the description below, and this isn't specific to this vehicle. You can get them for pretty much every car on the market. They make them for just about everything. So you can see here we've got a lip, and that means we can roll our windows down, leave about an inch gap. We can vent the truck out while it's parked. Nobody will know the windows are open, and if it starts to rain, the rain won't get inside the car, which is an added bonus. Now eventually when this channel turns into the Do-It-Yourself Grandpa channel, we're gonna have to put one of those bug collectors across here, but we're not quite there yet. So if this video helps you out at all, or if it gives you some ideas, give me a great big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, because we've got a lot of cool stuff coming your way. Be sure to check out the car DIY channel so you can see all the other stuff we've been doing. And of course, thanks for watching.